Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. All right, welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple money-making apps using your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. I'm at 2,800, so I'm 200 subscribers away. So if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now and type hashtag get your grind on in the comment section. Okay, please watch this video all the way to the very end because all 3 of these apps will make you some good money. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you these apps right now. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm at the first app. And the name of this app is Cashback and Rewards Shopkick. So let's just scroll down here and see what this app is all about. So you're going to earn rewards and get free gift cards for the shopping you already do. So get exclusive deals and discounts as you collect points by walking into stores, scanning items and receipts. You don't even need to buy anything to earn your kicks. With Shopkick, you can treat yourself and indulge guilt-free as you shop. Sounds pretty good. Join the millions of shop kickers who have earned over 78 million in free gift cards to Walmart, Target, Amazon, Starbucks, Sephora, and many more retails. So right here it says these are 6 easy ways to earn rewards as you shop. Find the methods that suit you, incorporate them as you run your shopping errands or as you relax on your couch. Earn your kicks. So it just explains again what I just said. We're going to walk into stores, scan barcodes, purchase and submit a receipt, purchase items from select partner stores with a linked card, make online purchases, and you're going to get to watch videos. So this is pretty cool. So if you like to shop, this is the app for you guys. So now you're going to be getting free gift cards. Now you also can turn those gift cards into cash. And they have plenty of websites you can go to. You just type in trade in gift cards, and you're going to get cash for these gift cards. So you can get some money out of this. You don't have to just go shopping with these gift cards. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.7. This is excellent. Like I always say, anything over 4 is excellent. And this is beyond excellent. So this is a very good app. And now, if you want to read these reviews, just once you come to this app, I'm in the App Store. Once you come here, just read these reviews if you want to know what people are saying about the app after using it. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and go to the next app. Again, go ahead and start with this app. The name of it again is Cashback and Rewards Shop Kick, and this is in the Apple Store. It's available in Google Play Store too. So let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay, I'm at the next app, and I'm at their website. It's called TaskRabbit. You probably have heard this before. I've talked about it in the past, but I want to bring it up because it's a very easy app you can use to make some pretty good money. So it says here, start tasking. So earn money your way. Be someone's hero today. Earn money by helping people with their everyday to-dos. So right here, what you're going to be doing if you don't know what TaskRabbit is, it's an app where they help people with tasks. So if somebody needs something done, they can pick up TaskRabbit and request a tasker to come to their home. And like if they need a TV mount, if you know how to do that, they'll do that. The task go ahead and mount the television. If they need shopping done, the tasker does that. So things of that nature. So to become a tasker, you just come here, put your name, email address, password, mobile number, and zip code, and click where it says start registration. And as you can see, it's available. The app is available on Apple and the Google Play Store. So once you get in there, you'll find jobs you love. So any type of skill that you have, just go in there and find the right skill for you. If you know how to build something or if you like cleaning, then at rates you choose. So you're going to be able to choose your own rates and make a schedule that fits your life. So you're going to be able to make a schedule that fits you. Now, how it works is TaskRabbit notifies you of potential jobs in your nearby in your area. Select the one you want to complete, confirm details with your client, complete the work, and submit your invoice. And here are some popular categories for you guys. So if you're a handyman, like I said before, if you know how to build anything, you can do that. Cleaning, delivery. So if you got a car, you can deliver. Moving, you're kind of strong. You like to move things. You can do some moving. If you know you're real skilled in assembling furniture, you can do that. And personal assistant. So if you are good on the computer, you can be a personal assistant. So like I said before, you register online. It's free to register. Right here, you can attend info session. So attend a tasker onboarding session in your city and start tasking. Download the Tasker app and accept your first job. And here's somebody that's working with TaskRabbit. So what taskers are saying. So TaskRabbit has enabled me to have the flexibility to work around the schedule of being a full-time mom. So that person is very happy. So that's it. That's all I'm gonna say about this app. So again, it's available on Google Play and Apple Store. Go ahead and download this app and get started. Okay, I'm at the third and final app. I'm at their website. So the name of this app is Phone Paycheck. So you're gonna make money with your phone, and it's only available in Google Play Store. Sorry, Apple users, you're gonna only have an Android phone. So you can click right here to watch a video. It's kind of tell you a demonstration how everything works. So I'm going to go through this pretty fast, guys, so just pay attention. So easy money. Get paid to let us use your smartphone processor while you're not using it. Download the app and start earning. It's that easy. We use your smartphone processor when you're not using it. When your phone is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. So you don't have to drain your battery or use your data plan, which sounds good. So it's no snooping going on, so you don't have to worry about them seeing your photos, videos, or listening to any conversation, or know your location. There's no ads, so you don't have to worry about any ads being displayed. They don't sell to advertisers. And right here it says no evil. So they use your processor to help their customers check and test websites. And this is a legitimate and ethical business, so you don't have to worry about them just snooping around your phone, and they're using or selling your information. So now they said the top earner can make $80 a year. I know that don't sound much, but if you have more than one device, you can make $240 a year. Or if you have 3 devices, you can make up to $320 a year. And all you have to do is just connect the phone up while you're charging it, turn on your Wi-Fi, make that money. Now, payout is through PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal, or you can donate the money to charity. So that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and start using this, go to the Google Play Store and download the app. So look for phone Paycheck. All right, guys, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching it all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on. I'm almost there to 3,000 subscribers. So I want to give away this free money, so you can be the lucky one. All you have to do is type that hashtag get your grind on in the comment section. And please share this all around the internet on all social media networks, because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money online. It's 2020. We're halfway through 2020. I know a lot been going on this year, but you can be your own boss. So please don't hesitate, and let's start making this money, guys. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again. Appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting a brother. Also, drop a creative comment down in the comment section too, because sometimes I give out shout outs. So if you want to get a shout out, leave a creative comment in the comment section. Okay, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.